Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find that's been making waves in the beauty community. It's the Firedeep Fall Orange Gel Nail Polish. If you're looking for the best burnt orange gel polish out there, you've come to the right place. This gel polish comes in a generous 0.54 fluid ounce bottle, which means you'll have plenty to work with. Unlike many brands that offer smaller sizes, Firedeep's larger bottle ensures you won't run out quickly, making it a great investment for anyone who loves to do their nails at home or in a salon setting. The application process is incredibly easy. This gel polish glides on smoothly, allowing for ultra-precise application without the dreaded leaks around the nail beds. Whether you're a nail art beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate how fluid every stroke is. And the color? It's an eye-catching burnt orange, perfect for any season. Whether you're celebrating fall festivities or just want a pop of color all year round. Once cured under a UV or LED light, which only takes about 60 seconds, you'll be left with a stunning glossy finish. Firedeep's gel polish is crafted from high-quality materials that provide excellent longevity, meaning your manicure can last at least 3 weeks with proper application. Just remember, a base coat and top coat are essential for that perfect shine and durability, so be sure to have those handy. Safety is also a big priority with Firedeep. This gel polish is made from natural resin and is toxin-free, offering a low-odor experience that's safe for use, making it suitable for everyone. Just keep it away from kids and pregnant women. If you're thinking about gifting something special, this gel nail polish is an ideal choice. It makes a wonderful present for holidays, birthdays, or just to pamper a loved one. Imagine the joy on their face when they receive such a stylish addition to their beauty routine. With all these features, it's easy to see why the Firedeep Fall Orange Gel Nail Polish is gaining popularity. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or simply want to treat yourself to a fabulous manicure at home, this polish is sure to impress. So there you have it. The Firedeep Fall Orange Gel Nail Polish truly stands out as the best burnt orange gel polish available today. Check it out on Amazon and add a splash of color to your nail game. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fabulous beauty product reviews. Until next time, keep shining bright.